and if you're coming to school, you're taking all the safety measures that are required to be here. That is, you have all the things that is mentioned in the to take the precautions, like you have the sanitizers, you have your own sanitizer, that is in mask and gloves, and you're taking full precaution, because at a time your safety is our responsibility, then again your safety is your responsibility also. So you have to be careful once you come to the school. I hope that whatever we are studying in the online classes, when we are seeing each other, that is when we are having interaction in the regular classes, things are more clear. You are able to ask all the doubts and understand all the doubts that you have. That is, all your doubts are cleared in the classes. I hope you have studied properly, so that if we revise the chapter, then all the things you just go through it once you come to the class, because this is very important. So once you come to the class, go through the things that we have studied earlier in the online classes, so that if we revise that chapter in the offline classes, things are clear to you in a proper manner. Now on the last turn, we were studying the chapter Sequences and Series. Sequences and series. In this chapter, we had studied some definitions, the definitions of a sequence, the definition of series, then what is a progression, and after that we had studied a progression which is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression क्या होता है? Arithmetic progression, or often termed as AP, is a sequence, is a progression. Progression मतलब क्या होता है? Either it is continuously increasing or it is continuously decreasing. तो प्रोग्रेशन तो ये होता है, लेकिन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है तो इसका क्या मतलब है? इफ द प्रोग्रेशन इज अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, देन द टर्म्स हैव अ कॉमन डिफरेंस. दैट इज, इफ वी हैव अ सीरीज a, then the second term is a plus b, third term is a plus 2b, and so on. The last term will be a plus n. Suppose in this series we have n terms. So the first term is a, second will be a plus d, third will be a plus 2b, and so on. The last will be a plus n minus 1. n minus 1. Why n minus 1? क्योंकि फर्स्ट टर्म में d के साथ क्या मल्टीप्लाइड है? 0. यहाँ पे d के साथ, सेकेंड टर्म में d के साथ 1 मल्टीप्लाइड है. So in the last term, d will be multiplied with 1 less than that term. So this is the AP, in which this is the first term where d is called the common difference. D is known as common difference, which is added as shown in this progression. So this is arithmetic progression. Now let us suppose that we are given with an arithmetic progression 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. So for this we had studied formulas, like to find the nth term, we had studied a formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 b. Similarly, we had studied another formula, sum of n terms is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 b, and we had studied two formulas for sum of n terms of the series. Suppose that the series has first term is given to you and the last term is given to you, and the number of terms is given to you. Then we have the formula Fn is equals to n by 2 a plus n. So we have two formulas for sum of the series, and along with that, after this we have one formula to find the an, that is nth term of the sequence. Maybe this is the last term of the sequence. If you, in order to find the last term of that sequence, what we are going to do is we are going to replace an by n. So now we are going to on the last term we had studied exercise 9.1, and now we are going to solve some of the questions of exercise 9.2. If you have to ask anything from exercise 9.1, you can comment that in the comment section on YouTube. Now the first question of exercise 9.2 is, find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. In question number 2, we have to find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. So first we are going to write the formula for sum of AP. Sn is equals to first what you are going to do is ऐसा कोई भी क्वेश्चन अगर आपको दिया गया है तो सबसे पहले हमें ये पता करना पड़ेगा कि दैट सीरीज और द सीक्वेंस व्हाटएवर it is in AP or not. First thing that we have to find कि the given question is the given question belongs to arithmetic progression or not. So first we are going to write the number of terms. The terms in that question. So 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on up to 2001. Up to here we have to write. Now what we are going to do is first we are going to write the formula for sum of n terms. Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 b. This is the formula for Sn. Now what we have to do, we have to find the values that are here so that we can calculate the sum of this progression. See, here we have a, तो a की value हमारे पास है. That is a is equals to 1. Then we have d. What is the value of d here? A is equals to 1 and d is equals to d. Here the common difference. Second term minus first term. 3 minus 1, that is 2. Or 5 minus 3, that is 2. 7 minus 5, that is 2. The value of common difference is. Now what we have to do? We have to find the value of n. यानी कि हमारे सीरीज में कितने टर्म्स हैं? How much? What is the number of terms in the series? That we have to find. After which we can calculate the value of sum of the series. So we are going to use the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now in this case we have the last term. So what we are going to do is we are going to replace an by n. That is the last term. So we have 2001 equals to a 1 plus n minus 1 and d is 2. We will simplify this to get the value of n. 2001, this is minus 1, this 1 will come this side. So we will have 2000, this 2 will come this side, it will be 2. When you solve these questions in your copy, do step by step. Now 1, 0, 0, 0 is equals to n minus 1. So the value of n is equals to 1001. That is 1001. Now we have the value of n. The value of n is 1001. We have the value of a, which is 1, and the value of d, which is 2. So from here we can calculate the value. 1001 by 2, 2a, 2 into 1, that is 2, plus n minus 1 is 1000 into d is, which is in the next step 1001 by 2. This will be 2000 plus 2 is 2000. यहाँ से फिर से इसको कट करेंगे 1001. Now 1001 multiplied by 1001, you can solve it 1. This is the required sum of the series that has been asked in question 1. So similarly, if we have any question in which we have to find the sum of the series or the progression, then this is the formula for AP. First, what we are going to do is, first we are going to see if the series is in AP or not. If it is in AP, then we are going to apply the respective formulas to get the solution. Now we will discuss question number 3. Question number 3 is, in an AP, the first term is 2. First term is represented by a and it is equal to 2. The next thing that is given is sum of first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. So we have studied that if we have the AP, then the first 5 terms will be a, first term will be a, second will be a plus d, third will be A plus 2D, fourth will be A plus 3D, and the fifth will be A plus 4D. And in the question it is given that the sum of first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms, that is A plus 4D के बाद क्या है A plus 5D, next A plus 6D, A plus 7D, A plus 8D, and then A plus 9. Now this is the required equation in this case. We will solve this and we will get the values. A कितनी बार है 1 2 3 4 5. So this side we have 5A plus 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. 10D equals to this side 1/4, which is equal to 1/4 bracket, then 5A plus 35D. Now we are going to simplify this. C. 4 will be multiplied this side. 20A plus 40D is equals to 5A plus 35D, or 20A minus 5A will be 15A is equals to 35 minus 40, that is minus 5D. Now we have the value of A as 2. So यहाँ से we can calculate D is equals to 15A by minus 5. That is 15 into 2 minus 5. 5 3s are 15. That is minus 3 into A की value रखेंगे, which is 2. So we have the value of D as minus 6. Now we have the value of A and we have the value of D, which is minus 6. So in the question what we have to show is the 20th term of this is minus 112. For 20th term, T20, not the game, this is T20, that is 20th term is equals to A plus N minus 1, that is 20 minus 1, 90D. We put the value of A as 2 plus 90, and instead of D we are going to write minus 6, and you will simplify this and you will get the value of minus 112, that is minus 112. So like this we are going to solve the questions from this. Now the next question that we are going to solve from our book is question number 7. Question number 7 में हमें क्या करना है? Find the sum of n terms of the AP whose kth term is 5k plus 1. That is kth term of the series Tk equals to 5k plus 1. So first what we are going to do is we are going to find the series. We are going to write the series and the terms. See, first what we are going to do is we are going to put k equals to 1. When k equals to 1, then 5 into 1 plus 1. So when you write this in your copy, you must write putting k equals to 1. The first term is 5 plus 1, that is 6. Putting k equals to 2, 5 to the 10 plus 1, that is 11. Putting k equal to 3, 3 5 is 15 plus 1, 16. Like this we have at least write 4 or 5 terms of this series. Now what we have the first term. The first term of the series is, or the progression is 6. A is equals to 6. Then common difference, second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, that is equal to 5. 11 minus 6 equals to 5. So what we have A and D, the values of A and D we are having here. Now we have to calculate the sum of the series up to n terms. So what is the formula for n terms? Sum of n terms of a arithmetic n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is, we are not given in the question, we have not we do not have the value of n. So n को हम ऐसे ही रखेंगे और बाकी सारी जो values हमारे पास those values we are going to put here. 2 into a, the value of a is 6. So 2 into 6 plus n minus 1 into the value of b is 5. Now obviously you can simplify this. N by 2, 6 to the 12, 12 minus 5, 7 plus 5n. So what is the answer? 7n plus 5n square upon 2. So the sum of n terms in this series is 5n plus 7 into n upon 2, or this. Both the values are correct. Now suppose in the question after this it is given कि the value of n is 5, यानी कि हमारी सीरीज जो है वो 5th टर्म तक है और हमें 5th टर्म तक का सम निकालना है. So in that case, the final answer that we have got here, we are going to put the value of n as 5. Or if the question is asking the value of the series up to 10 terms, so here we are going to put the value of n as 10. And similarly, we are going to solve the question to get the required answer. Now, like this only you are going to solve all the questions of exercise, this is 9.2. So you are going to solve all the exercises, all the questions of this exercise, and then we are going to discuss. If you have a doubt, we will discuss that question, or else we will start with the next topic in this chapter. The next topic in this chapter is arithmetic mean. How you have to find the arithmetic mean, we will discuss in the next lecture. But before that, solve all the questions of this exercise 9.2 and ask your doubts. Thank you, class.